Quran. Verse 102 Chapter 2 Al-baqarah. English and Urdu translation by Shabbir Ahmed, M.D., Florida.
They had followed conjecture in the past as well. Some satanic people spread a rumor in the kingdom of Solomon, Sulayman. Solomon never disbelieved in the divine laws, but the satanic people did. They fabricated a story that two angels Harut and Marut had descended in Babylon and taught magic to some people, and that they used to warn people, "We are only a temptation, therefore be not oblivious to the rational divine laws." The rumor further stated that people learned magic from both of them and learned how to create discord between a man and his wife. They could harm none against the divine laws. And what they try to learn only harms them and does not profit them. They ought to know that any person indulging in this trade, the so-called occult sciences, will be a loser in the long run, and shall have no portion in the hereafter. Evil is the price for which they sell their humanity, if they remember to make good use of their intellect. The entire story of Harut Marut was a fabricated rumor. Magic, amulets, ghoul, demon possession, exorcism, witchcraft, evil eye, fortune-telling, astrology, palm reading, clairvoyance, knowledge of the future, voodoo, are nothing but conjecture. These things can neither harm nor benefit anyone, since nothing happens in the universe contrary to the immutable divine laws in nature. However, superstitions can harm people by becoming self-fulfilling prophecies. See verses 3:123-127, 6 hours 73 minutes, 7:54, 45:22.